All right, so today we're doing a follow-up. We've just purchased the two-door JL and had some people that were asking kind of what we're going to do a little differently just from the different setup, not having the extra top. Again, I am a first responder. This vehicle is not used for traffic control or directing in any means. This is in case I roll up upon something and I need to immediately stop and provide aid, and this is to provide safety for my vehicle while I help and assist that individual. As soon as a fire, EMS, or police arrive on scene, I basically leave. So that's where this cuts. So as you can see, we've done the standard, what I did on the last couple. It covered my videos on the lower area. And these again work as reverse lights. This time, although I could have used these for reverse lights, I did not. And then we also have the, I believe they're SL5s down here to the side. So from the side, it's not a lot, but it's just enough that if you have to get out, it's giving you that little bit extra light. And as you can see, it just kind of gives you an overall decent light package for stopping to get out with something. Also, if you have the Taser JL, you also have the option to hit the unlock, lock, unlock, and then it actually is going to also put in the factory lights, using those as additional strobes to keep going. So that's one option to keep in mind also. I've got that set up for just that much more light to kind of grab that attention. As you can see, we've also got the rock lights on underneath, which are activated by the entry lights. Cover that in another video. With that being said, it does light up the sides with the light, and as soon as the entry mode goes to turn off, that does also turn into just your orange flashing light, and that's just tied in with your regular turn signal. All right, now since we've got the light off, we can see a little bit better. What I did is took some of the sound off Empower fascias. These are the 4-inch dual colors. This does have a little bit of a downwards angle on it, which is not what I'd prefer. I would prefer it to be more straight out. But the limitations of the two-door with the soft top and where we could mount stuff, that's where we decided to go for this. And again, this is not a primary traffic control or anything else. This is we rolled up on something. We just want to provide a little bit of light for our safety. I was able to pick up two of these. They're kind of hard to see, but I just drilled a hole right in the side right there, and that's kind of the back side of it. Let's see if I can get some light in there for you. All right, trying to give it a little bit better light, but as you can see, we just drilled the hole and it goes right in the edge, and then on the back side where it comes out, and then we went straight down and in through the vent. And that just enabled just a little bit more light. I was able to pick those up. I think I paid $70 for both of them, so it was just a deal that was hard to pass up on that. Try and get a little bit of light in here for you. And you see, just drilled that hole and ran that in through the back. Coming down here again, I covered these in my other videos with this particular bumper that we have. This was just where I used on this. And one of the other ones I hadn't gone over yet are actually these lights that are in the rear footwell and up in the front. And what we've done with those is those are kind of our side lightings, again using our auxiliary 4 if we were to roll up on something. And that's what you get out of that for a complete side profile. So this is on the JT. We will be adding it into the JL also, at least the front ones. And again, when you hit your lights, it basically becomes regular approach lights. All right, and as you can see, I just used the lower lip line right there and put it right through on the back ones. And for the fronts, I actually just used the self-adhesion one and ran the wire across. So it's up out of the way, it's kind of hidden, but it gives you that light when needed.